हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर पॉडकास्ट। और भाई अभी हमने खत्म किया है अपना एक रॉकिंग फोटोशूट। द मैन हिमसेल्फ, जेसन शॉ। ब्रो, हाउ इज इट?
It was absolutely amazing. One of the most talented.
बट एक मिनट मैं हिंदी में बताओ यार, हिंदी में ये
इस बंदे में बहुत ही ज़्यादा टैलेंट है और एक्चुअली यहाँ आने में मैं वैसे ही कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखा. सो आई थिंक प्रवीण सर ओवर एक्सपेक्टेशन, मतलब ऐसे फीलिंग अभी आ रहा है कि एकदम खुशियाँ. आई कैन एक्सप्लेन. आई एम सो हैप्पी.
मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया। मतलब हमने बहुत ही कम टाइम में इतने अच्छे अच्छे लुक्स निकाले. और अभी जेसन के फ्लाइट का टाइम होने लगा था एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार, भाई आए पहले बिठा के कुछ सवाल जवाब किए जाए. तो जेसन, लेट्स स्टार्ट अपनी लाइक जर्नी के बारे में बात बताओ. लाइक यू कम फ्रॉम टू डिफरेंट फैमिलीज ऑल टुगेदर. हाउ वाज इट लाइक? मतलब वो कैसा अपब्रिंगिंग, कैसा जर्नी, शुरुआत?
तो ऑब्वियसली डैडी गुजराती थे, मम्मी इंग्लिश थी, बट थिंग इज दैट डैड नेवर वांटेड मी टू स्पीक इन गुजराती.
अच्छा.
तो वो हमेशा वही बोलता था, नहीं जस्ट यू लर्न इंग्लिश. बट आई थिंक आफ्टर सम टाइम, स्पेशली मुंबई में घूमना फिरना, आई थिंक लोगों मेरे पीछे वो बात करते थे हिंदी में. और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता था कि कुछ
मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, मेरे बारे में कुछ तो कुछ बोल रहा है.
गंदा भी बोलते थे.
हाँ जी. और मुझे तो मतलब वही मालूम पड़ना था कि क्या है ये चीज़.
राइट.
सो फ्रॉम देयर आई स्टार्टेड सिटिंग विद माय स्टाफ. बैठते थोड़ा मतलब बातचीत, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली वाचिंग हिंदी सीरियल्स, सास भाव एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
राइट.
सो आई वाज नेवर रियली taught Hindi, but self teaching.
और स्कूलिंग की बात करें, देन हाउ, मतलब जर्नी कैसी थी? लाइक यू डिड एवरीथिंग हियर इन इंडिया?
Yeah, I did. I was privately schooled.
Okay.
So not your normal, like a normal school with hundreds of kids.
Right.
It was just about 8 to 10 of us.
Right.
So I think that's good in a way because we get a lot of focus, a one-on-one kind of a relationship. But my father's main thing was, I'm going to travel you the world.
अच्छा. Okay.
दुनिया को जितना मैं आपको घुमा सकता है, I think that will leave an imprint in your mind that will last.
Right.
So I think I know more about the world than a particular textbook. I could say that. And I think wo exposure, if I had kids, I would want to do the
मतलब
same.
बचपन से you were traveling?
बचपन से.
कितना घुमे? लाइक कितनी कंट्रीज?
I would say a good half of at least 40% of the world.
Wow.
Yeah, and we would take every year 2 countries.
Okay.
And we would do literally north to south for a month. So we would go each city, all the main cities my dad would choose, and he would sit there and map it out, and we'd go by road, which was crazy. We would have drivers.
और साथ में स्कूल चल रहा था, private?
Yeah, no, we would take a break, obviously, and you can with private schooling. Right. It's a little easier to push around and make dates available and stuff like that.
Right.
But yeah, I traveled so much when I was young.
So मॉडलिंग की शुरुआत कैसी हुई? Like before you got into acting, modeling कैसा, like, and you started here India में ही?
Yeah, so it was just a very normal story कि जैसे कोलाबा है मुंबई में.
कितने साल के थे जब सोचा कि मेरे को अभी मॉडलिंग शुरू करना?
So I was only 16.
Okay.
And some guy just came up to me, you want to be a model? So I was like, yeah man, देखते क्या है इस चीज़ में. And he called me a few months later and he said एक काम है, just go to Chennai.
सीधा चेन्नई?
सीधा चेन्नई.
Okay.
So I went, I shot. 50,000 रुपया हाथ में आया. And at that time, 16 years old, I was like, 50,000 वो भी cash में. I was like over the moon.
Wow.
So I came back, I told dad, I said, आपका company में काम करना लोचा है.
तो उस time पे you were working with your dad?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I said, I'll definitely earn more in modeling than I will with you, क्योंकि उस ज़माने में it was like $15,000 I was earning in a month with him.
और एक शूट ने
50,000 और वो भी 4-5 घंटे में. तो मैं वैसे ही कैलकुलेशन रखे थे. But yeah, and the journey's just been going from there.
And you wanted to be a model, मतलब उसके बाद serious, मतलब you thought कि इसको मैं seriously लूँगा अब आगे modeling?
Yeah, I mean I
पैसा
took
दिखा and you like, पापा bye bye?
Yeah. Not really bye-bye. I was still doing as much as I could with him, obviously. But obviously modeling takes time because you're going for, you know, auditions and you're meeting
Right.
people and stuff like that.
दोस्त लोग
So-
तो बहुत खुश हो जाते होंगे कि यार हमारा दोस्त स्टार बन रहा है, मॉडल बन गया है।
हाँ, और वो
लड़कियों की लाइन लगी?
too many at
Yeah.
one point.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, it was an interesting journey. I think I was there when you had like supermodels, you know, in India, like Aryan Ved and
Aryan
these
Ved,
kind of
John
guys.
Abraham, Dina
John
Morea.
Abraham. So that was very interesting. You know, that phase is gone, obviously.
Absolutely.
But it was amazing.
Right. तो उसके बाद मतलब and going into your fitness now, getting in there, when you started modeling, तब मतलब 16 साल में you had this like proper physique या
Yeah, I started going to the gym when I was 16.
okay.
I was very blessed कि एक trainer मिला था and he was like सिर्फ form को सिखाना है,
Right.
nothing else.
Okay.
सिर्फ form. आपका form अच्छा होगा तो आपका muscle भी अच्छा बनेगा बाद में in life. So with him I did like a year and a half of just, you know, bars, no heavy weights, nothing, just practicing form. And I think it's really helped because I'm not injured at all.
Right.
You know, sometimes I get small minor injuries which go in like 10 days, 2 weeks. So yeah, I've always loved sports. I played cricket. That was my first dream when I was young.
Okay.
A very outdoor person, swimming, volleyball, tennis. You know, Dad always wanted us to be out. He was
Right.
like, more than in, be out, expose yourself, you know. So I think that helped me make friends. It helped me kind of, you know, adjust to the social life in general.
Right.
But yeah, I was very active as a kid.
But you think कि जो fitness का regime आप follow कर रहे थे, that helped you crack that first modeling job? मतलब कि उस time पे you were not
No, I don't think fitness really had anything related to it. But now I definitely see that. That
Right.
obviously, you know, we're doing tough hours. We're always expected to have a body. जैसे model होता है उस ज़माने में ऐसे ही होता था कि you'd go and have a meeting and the person sitting there is like, yeah, can you take your t-shirt off?
Right.
तो हमेशा fit रहना ही था. And you would always have to be looking fit.
भाई मैं भी यहाँ पे कट करता हूँ। मैं यहाँ स्क्रीन पे ना अभी जब जेसन सुबह आए और शूट करने से पहले शर्ट उतारी ना पंप ना कुछ ब्रो व्हेन आई डू माय फोटो शूट्स यहाँ सारे जितने डंबल पड़े हैं स्टूडियो में लोगों को आधा पौना घंटा लगता है वो एब्स दिखाने में बॉडी दिखाने में राइट एंड यू जस्ट केम उतारा और बढ़िया बात क्या लोग कहते हैं ये मैं ये खाऊंगा हेल्दी खाऊंगा ये KFC मंगवा लो ये मंगवा लो तो फ्राइड खाना ये सब चीज़ें मतलब डू यू लाइक इट
It's not what I promote to
Right.
eat, obviously. But sometimes, yeah, I guess this is kind of like my off day because I'm shooting, I'm working, but at the
Right.
same time, that's why I told you कि पहले हम body shot लेंगे, फिर मस्त
उसके बाद।
KFC खा
Right.
के,
So-
then we'll go on.
अब उसके बाद की जर्नी जैसे आपने मॉडलिंग किया फिर यू गॉट इनटू फिटनेस मॉडलिंग लाइक हम जब भी आपको सर्च करते हैं गूगल करते हैं तो फिटनेस मॉडलिंग आपके नाम के साथ वो बड़ा जुड़ता है सो यू टुक दैट वेरी सीरियसली
So I think, especially being at India at that time when I was young, I think there weren't a lot of white guys around with, you know, that were also confident and willing to be bare-chested.
Right.
I think, thanks to Salman and these guys, I think bodybuilding has
Yeah.
grown. You know, when I
Bilkul.
was young, there was maybe 10 gyms in South Mumbai. Now there's 500 plus gyms.
right.
So I think because I was always fit, I got all kinds of jobs, and obviously the fitness thing was growing. So at that time, I was doing all kinds of, you know, fitness related work, whether it be fitness companies or protein powders that were coming into the country. Yeah, I've done a lot of work like that.
एंड फिर आपने एक्टिंग की तरफ गए यू लर्न एक्टिंग
Yeah.
सीखा प्रॉपर कहाँ
Yeah.
से
The New York Film Academy.
अच्छा और ये
Yeah.
कितने टाइम का था
So that was 1 year. It's the 1 year conservatory course. And yeah, I think it's just an ongoing process. You're always learning, you're always fooling around at home,
Right.
taking videos, and you know,
Right.
I think auditioning a lot. I went, my teacher in the New York Film Academy said, give as many auditions as you can. And I
Right.
think that's a good learning
हाँ, and I
point.
think आज की डेट में जो यंगस्टर्स हैं लाइक आई शूट विद लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट लॉट ऑफ मॉडल्स एंड ऑडिशन के नाम पे डरते हैं लाइक दे
Yeah.
फील कि मैं जाऊंगा रिजेक्शन हो जाएगा यार मैं ऑलरेडी 100 लोग होंगे वहाँ पे ऑडिशन, मैं क्या करूँगा जाके, पता नहीं होगा नहीं होगा। तो यू राइट कि ऑडिशन देना
ज़रूरी है। एंड आई थिंक द बेस्ट वे in the way that I see it is always go to your family.
राइट
Always go to the ones that love you the most because they're going to be the hardest on you.
Right.
So
You're gonna be
take
honest,
something.
honest
Yeah, you
critics.
need honest responses, you know, because you don't want everybody patting you on the back and saying, "Oh, you're such a great actor," and then
Right.
you go out there and everybody's like, "You're rubbish," you know. So I think you want to practice. I learned as a kid, in everything you do, practice makes perfect. So I just did loads of auditions, even auditions that I knew I would never get. I would do it. And surprisingly, I've done ads for Mahindra and Tata and all of these, Godrej and things I thought I would never get because you're just on that, like, it's almost like a rampage to just try everything, lose that fear. And I think the best thing is always to show your brother, sister, mom, dad and say, give me your honest response, and then they'll be like,
तो वो टांग खींचते थे when you started मतलब showing in front of them कि मैं ऐसा कुछ करके दिखा रहा हूँ या pose। तो what you used to do, like rap करते थे या poses?
Anything. Even today I look at my brother and my brother's, he'll look at me and he'll be like, yeah, but you know what, you could do this and I don't think my brother's ever come up to me and said, you've done a damn good job. So that helps, right. I like that honesty, I like that criticism. I think even in Hira Mandi, I think I told a couple of the directors, I said, whatever's in your mind, come and tell me. I'm not that kind of a person who thinks they know everything.
Right.
Even if I think I know a lot on a subject, I'm always open to, new criticism or a different perspective, different point of view. Some people look at a cow and they say it's black with white stripes. Other people will say it's white with black stripes. So it's just a different perspective.
अमेरिकन, ये जो न्यूयॉर्क में जाके आपने एक्टिंग सीखी है, अभी आप हीरा मंडी की बात कर रहे थे, अब वहाँ से यहाँ आने की जो एक जर्नी है, कितना डिफरेंस लगा वहाँ के कल्चर में जाके सीखा, वो सब किया और अब हीरा मंडी में आ गए, तो अब हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे यहाँ से।
अच्छा।
तो कितना डिफरेंस था दोनों में?
जब मैं वहाँ था तो मेरा सब टीचर्स जो थे हमेशा वो कहते थे कि जैसन आप ऐसे मतलब बॉलीवुड में इधर मत लेके आना यार, छोड़ दो, आपका हैंड मूवमेंट्स, आपका जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो बहुत ही बॉलीवुड टाइप बंदा है। एंड अच्छी चीज़ है कि वहाँ पे वही कुछ क्रिटिसिज्म मिला है।
राइट।
एंड हाँ, मुझे ऐसे मतलब थोड़ा देख के मुझे समझ में आया कि हाँ, बिकॉज आई फील आई एम इंडियन, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो जो असली इंडियन की जो चीज़ होती है वो नेचुरली निकलता है। बट उनके लिए अच्छा नहीं है। जैसे आप मतलब कोई भी एक्सप्रेशंस जैसे छी हम बोलता है ना, it's small things like that abroad they won't understand it, they don't connect to it. Whereas यहाँ पे अगर मैंने बोल दिया तो बोलते हैं भाई हिंदी बोल रहा है
उनके लिए बड़ी बात है।
बड़ी बात है ना।
तो कल्चर, वर्क कल्चर अलग था यहाँ पे आने। अच्छा, वहाँ का तो ये रहा, यहाँ पे कैसा लगा आपको वर्क कल्चर जब आपने शुरुआत की, अब बॉलीवुड में आ गए हो? सो पहला ब्रेक क्या था बॉलीवुड का?
So I started in TV mostly. That was my main thing. Honestly, मैं पहले दिन चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद के सेट पे आया था and it was my first TV show. और पंजाबी डायरेक्टर थे and he's such a sweet guy. बहुत ही humble human being but at the same time tough. वो ऐसे आदमी, बाप रे, वो जूनियर आर्टिस्ट को ऐसे मतलब मारते थे कि मुझे भी थोड़ा सा मतलब
क्या ठुकाई होगी
यार, ज़्यादा मत करो, बेचारे लोग छोड़ दो। एंड आई गॉट द स्क्रिप्ट एंड आई गॉट द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ये सब लोग रेडी थे एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट 10 pages of हिंदी डायलॉग और मैं यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है कि भाई मेरे को हिंदी स्क्रिप्ट और वो भी 10 पेज, 1 पेज का डायलॉग नहीं है और सब मेरा ही है। मैं बात करके जा रहा है। I just, as I was looking at it, I think उसको पता ही था कि परेशान हो गया बेचारा। I didn't even see him, वो ऐसे पीछे से आया, ऐसे इतना heavy hand he had like that. He said, पुत्र आप करेंगे, टेंशन मत लो, मैं हूँ ना, करवाएंगे आपसे। So I think he was such a, I would say God put him in my life at the start because you need someone who gives you that boost. वो जो confidence ऐसे नहीं आता.
Right, एक push चाहिए
push
starting
चाहिए.
में.
And he was so sweet कि जहाँ मुझे मतलब थोड़ा सा fumble हो रहे थे और आज भी fumble होते हैं, ऐसे नहीं है
Right.
कि मेरा perfect हो गया.
Right.
But जहाँ fumble होते थे वो बोलता था cut, don't worry, I'll take it in a cut.
Right.
So I think that was a great thing for me to push me into the the way of speaking so much Hindi.
Right.
And it's all Urdu. It's all these मतलब इतना बड़ा बड़ा शब्द होते हैं टीवी
हाँ,
में
बहुत
कि अगर मैं एडी को भी पूछता है कि भाई इसका शब्द का मतलब क्या है, वो लोग भी फंस जाता है. वो लोग भी बोलते हैं भाई एक काम कर, यहाँ ना एंग्री हो जा बस, वो जितना भी जो भी बोलना है बोलो. एंड आई एम लाइक बट वो एक्टिंग नहीं है. वो बोला छोड़ दो एक्टिंग, बस यही माइंड में रखो कि जब आप यहाँ आएंगे पूरा गुस्सा में निकालना पड़ेगा. तो सो आई मीन इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. एंड आई थिंक माई हिंदी ग्रू, थोड़ा डिक्शन थोड़ा अच्छा होता था.
तो दिस ऑल हैपेंड आफ्टर जब आपने वो सीखा बाहर न्यूयॉर्क
Yeah.
में सीख के आया,
Yeah.
तो उन लोगों ने वहाँ से कभी देखा, काम देखा, कॉल किया कि यार हमारा एक स्टूडेंट अब एक इंडिया में स्टार बनने जा रहा है?
नहीं, actually nothing, because TV is not seen so much over there. But
Right.
in Hira Mandi, yes.
Right.
All of my teachers have said, "Wow, it's,"
Wow.
because now they're like, "Wow, it's so difficult to even watch you speaking in Hindi."
Right.
So they can only imagine what it's like. So I got a lot of appreciation actually just the other night. It
Right.
was insane. I don't use Facebook too much. My Facebook पे गया था, and all my teachers, my voice teacher, my movement teacher, all of them, they were like, "Oh my God, we saw you in this Indian series."
Wow.
I was like, "Yes."
तो हीरा मंडी में हम पहुंचे कैसे? ऑडिशन का जर्नी बताओ, कैसा रहा ये? How did it happen?
It came through my agent.
Okay.
एक दिन बैठे थे and as normal कि जेसन आप ये audition दे दो, and most of the time he doesn't even tell me, and I like it like that.
Right.
Because I think an actor we overthink. अगर आपने बोला है संजय लीला बंसाली और ये है वो है, तो then I'm lost in dream world for 1 hour.
Right.
उसने बोला ये ऑडिशन है,
ये script है, बस
स्क्रिप्ट है, बस करके दे दो.
Right.
I did it as normal. भूल गया उसके बारे में, कभी सोचा भी नहीं.
Right.
And nothing happened, and 3 months later I got the call कि आप जल्दी से बंसाली के ऑफिस में जाओ, शायद आपका डन हो गया इसमें.
Wow.
So yeah, it went from there. I was reading and संजय सर रूम के अंदर आया, वो अपना कबर्ड खोल के वो ऐसे 2 बार ऐसे देखा मेरे को very nonchalantly, जैसे मैं हूँ ही नहीं
Right.
रूम में. And I realized later कि वो देखने आया था कि यही
कि
होगा
पास करना है कि
कार्ड.
fail?
हाँ.
तो अभी जब आप सेट पे भी जाते हो, लोगों को पता होता है कि दैट ये हिंदी जानता है, हिंदी बोलता है. अभी ऐसा हुआ कि हीरा मंडी के सेट पे आपके बारे में बात करने लगा, अरे सब पता है तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, ऐसा होता है?
हमेशा होता है. एंड ऐसे नहीं है, बिकॉज सच अ बिग क्रू ऑफ पीपल, 300 लोग, 350 लोग, तो द क्रू इज़ ऑलवेज चेंजिंग, क्योंकि अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, अलग अलग यूनिट होता है.
Right.
सो देयर वाज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे किसी का शौक हो जाता था, एंड दे आर लुकिंग एट मी कि ये असली में हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि डायलॉग के बाद वो जब मैं चिल कर रहा हूँ लोगों के साथ, मैं हमेशा लोगों को खींच रहा है, मजाक कर रहा है.
Right.
सो दे वर ऑलवेज लाइक, अरे यार ये तो इंडियन ही है, यू नो. एंड दैट हैपेंस एवरी डे.
आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी टायर्ड ये सब सुन. तो अब हीरा मंडी जितना ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो रहा है, हर अभी भी लोग शो ख़त्म होने के बाद भी एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग. कोई ऐसा फनी इंसिडेंट सेट पे हुआ हो विच जो लोगों को आप बताना चाहते हो, यू नो कि बहुत सारे होंगे.
बहुत सारे होंगे, मैं अभी सोच रहा हूँ कौन सा बोलो. आई थिंक वन वाज वेरी फनी. आई केम ऑन सेट, it was a rushed day, there was a lot of work, and my scene was with Aditi. And कोई मेरे को बोला था सुबह में कि आप बिब्बो जान के साथ सीन है आज, and I'm doing, मैं तो मतलब 25-30 दिन के बाद आया था सेट पे, तो मुझे नहीं पता था कौन है बिब्बो जान, ये जान वो जान. सो आई वाज एनीवेज लाइक ठीक है कोई होगा लड़की. देन व्हेन आई गॉट देयर आई रियलाइज्ड इट वाज अदिति, एंड शी लुक्ड एट मी एंड शी वाज अ बिट हेजिटेंट, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिफोर आई हैड कम, उससे पहले वो एक रशियन था उसके साथ जो उसको पीछे से मार रहे हैं ऐसे. एंड आई थिंक उसने ऑलरेडी गलती से 1-2 बार ज़्यादा किया. So when she saw me and I was double the guy's size, she was like, ये मुझे लाफा देने वाला है। मतलब इसको थोड़ा मतलब आराम से बोलो, control. And then I told her, I said, नहीं यार मैं ऐसे नहीं करूँगा, I'm in control. And then she was like, बाप रे, आप तो हिंदी ऐसे बोलता है। So then she also was like shocked कि ये बहुत अच्छा हिंदी बोलता है। So I think there's always, days like that. Yeah. One day, Sonakshi came inside of the room and I said, "Hey, Nagin," and she was like, I was like, "हाँ, हीरा मंडी की औरतें नागिन होती है," and then she was like, "Yeah, but I'm not Nagin." So things like I'm always playing with people, having fun.
तो अभी जिस तरह से OTT इंडिया में इतना ग्रो कर रहा है, बहुत माइलेज मिल रहा है. What's your take on that?
I think there's a lot of space. बहुत opportunity है इस जगह में, लेकिन I think there's a lot of stuff that is being done too quick. वो ज़्यादा जल्दी बना के छोड़ रहे हैं just to get the content out. I think take a little bit more time, get better stories, get better content, stronger content, work with the actors a bit more, go into the character depth, I think a little bit more. I think it's a growing industry, it's a space that's growing, but I feel most of it is too rushed. I feel the projects are too rushed. And because I'm an actor and because I've learnt a lot in acting and especially from a director's point of view, आप वो चीज़ मतलब देखता है and वो चीज़ अगर आप ज़्यादा film line में है वो दिखता है आपको. So I think that I think there just needs to be a bit more preparation. I feel like preparation is. I'll tell you something very small. हीरा मंडी के set पे एक लड़का आया था, and we have this thing called the Anaconda AC.
Okay.
So Anaconda AC लोग वो आदमी पकड़ते हैं आपके लिए.
Okay.
And बहुत लोग उन पे गुस्सा निकालता है क्योंकि उनको पता नहीं है कैसे पकड़ना है, कैसे देना है.
Right.
But I don't get upset at them क्योंकि किसी ने दिखाया ही नहीं. वो आज बिहार या यूपी से आया है. तो ये बात है कि किसी ने सुबह में उसको मतलब बोला
दिया होगा
कि भाई बहुत बड़ा एक्ट्रेस लोग रहता है, आप वैसे नीचे से ऊपर नहीं कि उनका ड्रेस ऊपर आ जाएंगे. आप पीछे से बाल पे मत मारना क्योंकि वो बाल में बहुत दिक्कत होती है. Nobody tells them that, but उनका इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि उनको सब कुछ मालूम होना चाहिए. बट नहीं है यार, वो कल आया है, पहले दिन है उसका, और मैं पूछता हूँ उनको कि भाई शायद आपका पहले दिन का काम है, और वो मेरे को देखते हैं, हाँ सर मेरे को नहीं पता. एंड आई फील बैड फॉर देम बिकॉज इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट. यू नो, इफ आई ट्रेन नहीं किया, if you came to set and I'm expecting you to take what wonderful photos you took today, you've never worked a day in your life with a camera or lights, मैं कैसे expectation आपके ऊपर रखूं? So I think that's a little sad. It's a little, and that's where I find things go into the unprofessionalism side.
As an actor, आपको क्या लगता है कितना ज़्यादा struggle है? Like बॉम्बे में बात करें, बॉलीवुड की बात करें, I'm sure आपने भी बहुत सारे auditions दिए होंगे और कहीं ना कहीं मिले होंगे, नहीं मिले होंगे, तो कितना struggle है?
There's going to be a struggle in life in everything you do.
Right.
I think you have to give time to the process, which people don't like to do. I think this generation has gone into this, immediate gratification, which is very unhealthy because it's not only in your line of work, it's in everything you do. It's in your relationships, it's with eventually when you get married with your kids, it's it boils over into so many different things. But this generation just wants it all now, and they think that they deserve it all now, and then they get heartbroken when something doesn't happen. I mean, it's anybody you ask, from Steve Jobs to Bill Gates to any of these, greats, or even our gold medalist Chopra. You ask them how many times Chopra's taken that,
the
javelin, and he's thrown it. How many times? Right. He didn't get upset one day and say, "I'll never be able to throw this javelin." Maybe he did, but he got up again. So you have to keep getting up, and I think we work too hard into the point that I'm gonna get it because I did a good job.
Right.
No, sometimes you just did a good job and something else might come that is unplanned, unexpected. From here, something else comes.
Right.
So I think just be ready for your moment, because your moment will come and no matter what you're doing. But people aren't ready because after a certain period, they're treating everything else with that give up attitude. With that, well, I might not get it and I've struggled anyway so hard, this one. So they come in, they give an audition. But you've still got to shine.
Right.
I probably get, I don't even know the percentage, but I get a very small percentage of what I audition for.
Right.
And sometimes I feel like that. I'm like, why should I audition? आज क्यों audition देना है यार? पक गया ये आदमी, मतलब 10 बार ये आदमी 50 audition भेजा गया and एक बार हमने साथ में काम नहीं किया.
Right.
तो obviously वो give up attitude कहीं ना कहीं वो आ जाता है, सोचता है कि नहीं यार छोड़ दे यार, दूसरे के साथ में जो रोज मिलता है उसके साथ काम करेंगे. But you never know. You never know when it's that right time and all of a sudden something's gonna hit and blast.
Right. तो criticism, I'm sure, इतना सुनना पड़ता ही है, and there are a lot of inner voices as well. So how do you deal with that?
Again, don't overthink it. And especially in our line of work. Now you're coming into it. You're coming in front of the camera. So be ready to hear both sides of the coin.
Right.
I think people don't really think, and again, this generation, I don't think they really think things through. If I become an actor, I become a public figure. That means I have to stand, I have to be responsible in this position. My actions are now going to be watched by everyone. It's not only my society that's looking at me, it's everyone, and they will judge.
Right.
You can't ask a viewer not to judge you.
Right.
If they don't like you, they don't like you. I've had people say, I really, really hate you. But then I'm like, I must have done a good job.
Right.
Because they hated my character so much that they've actually started to hate me.
Right.
And it's not because I've done anything to them, it's just what happens on screen. So I think, especially for this line, if you're going to come out as a public figure, if you're going to act, be ready for criticism and take it positively.
Right.
Don't let it shape you into what they want you to become, but let it teach you different things that maybe you need to know. Maybe you need to be told, because sometimes I think, you know, especially in the world we live in, I think a lot of parents also, they never like to say no. In India, I've actually faced this a lot. People don't like to say no.
Right.
And I think that's bad, because we're teaching a generation that everything is just the way you like it and it's always going to happen and everything is yours and, you know, you go out and get it, and it's this fairy tale that you've built it up, that by the time the kid goes out into the real world, they break easier. So I think that's something we need to hold, and keep your beliefs in the right place. Know who you are. I think finding purpose is better than looking for what you want out of life. You know, find your purpose. Why are you here as a human? And I think once you find that, doesn't matter what you're doing in life, I think you'll always be happy.
बिग बॉस की बात करें. बिग बॉस में हमारी एंट्री थी, तो बिग बॉस का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
It was short.
हाँ.
I felt sick.
बट कई लोग बोल रहे थे जानबूझ के जेसन निकल गए कि नहीं यार बोर हो गए थे.
नहीं, तो मैंने बहुत सुना है कि मैं तो वैसे भी बोर हो गया था. वो तो कुछ नया बात नहीं है. But it wasn't honestly because of anything that, and I think mostly लोग को ऐसे सोचते कि सलमान मेरे को निकाल दिया. It wasn't that either.
हाँ, मैंने कहीं आर्टिकल में भी देखा, बट
वो कटरीना कैफ के बारे में कुछ बोला था तो वो जेसन को बाहर निकाल दिया. वैसे कुछ नहीं है. The main reason why was I got sick. बानी जे जो उस सीजन में भी थी, she told me कि आपने कुछ पालक खाया, वो पालक बहुत खराब ही थे, and उसकी वजह से शायद वो आपका पेट में पूरा गड़बड़ आ गया था. And it was sad because even I know I had a lot of people, even they didn't want me to leave, but I was asking them for something and they weren't gonna give it to me.
बॉस भी एक अलग ही दुनिया है, अलग एक्सपीरियंस है. उससे क्या सीखा, या वहाँ से कुछ चीज़ें जो आपने सीखी, वो did it help you in your personal life?
It definitely teaches you that sometimes these things can disappear from you, like a mobile phone, a watch. because there's no time. You don't know the time in there, and how to be content. And I actually, it was fine for me. I found it quite boring,
Right.
because I had nothing to do, and all these people are just yakking and fighting all
हाँ
day
मैंने भी कुछ
long.
एपिसोड देखे थे, नहीं वो वही काम, मतलब
Yeah,
चिल, कोई
मतलब
मुद्दा नहीं
ठीक है।
उठाना।
There was some task में मतलब कुछ I don't know, पुलिस थी एक लड़की, and वो फाइन भरना था, तो जैसे वो आती थी तो मैं वैसे भी मतलब कितना चाहिए, 100 रुपया चाहिए, 1000 रुपया चाहिए, 2000 ले लो यार, क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए तो वो नकली पैसा है, मेरे को वैसे भी कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा था।
Right.
एंड लोगों अपना पैसा लेके कहीं बाथरूम्स में छुपा रहे थे, एंड आई वाज लाइक तुम लोग थोड़ा एंजॉय करो यार,
Yeah.
फ्री में पैसा मिला है, और वो भी छुपा के रखना है, चोरी करना है किसी से। एंड आई डिडंट, एंड पीपल लाइक दैट अबाउट मी इन द शो, कि ये बहुत मतलब एकदम नेचुरल आदमी है, वो कोशिश नहीं कर रहे कुछ बनने के लिए। एंड आई थिंक that's something I always want to be. Even when I met you today, your personality, your big smile, your openness, I think that's special about you as well.
Thank you so much.
just
But मैं एक बार
are.
सबको बता दूं, मैंने ऐसा बोलने के लिए नहीं बोला भाई को,
नहीं,
मेरी तारीफ करने के लिए नहीं, but it's so sweet of you, man.
No, and I think that's beautiful, because
Right.
that touch goes, you know.
Yeah, but I think it's his aura, it's his energy, because हम मिले सुबह, एक अलग ही vibe थी. It was the first time we meeting each other, ना फोन पे बात किया, ना देखा एक दूसरे को कभी. And I think it was just the energy, है ना? And you said, and I told him यार मैं podcast कर रहा हूँ, शुरू करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं. Talk about shoot, and you were ready, मतलब you were ready to experiment anything.
Yeah, for sure.
Which I think बहुत सारे लोग आज की डेट में डरते हैं.
Yeah.
They're scared to take
A leap.
A leap, yeah. So any advice to the upcoming models and actors जो मतलब जो आपकी वाली जर्नी अब ले रहे हैं, there's so much of talent जो रोज बॉम्बे उतरता है, जो अपना एक मॉडलिंग, एक्टिंग, फिटनेस मॉडलिंग, उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस है आपकी?
I think get ready to take the jump always. Jump मारना बहुत ज़रूरी है. When you're jumping and you're leaving the things that are gonna keep you stable in life, वो भी एक गलत jump है. So don't take that jump. But where you see that you need to push beyond your limit, जैसे हम जिम में वेट ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, अगर मैं रोज वही 30 पाउंड का डंबल उठाएंगे तो माई बॉडी इज नॉट गोना प्रोसेस. आई एम गोना हैव टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू. I'm gonna have to face my fear, and I think that's my advice always, is go with faith.
Right.
And let fear, look at fear, see what it's telling you, because fear can actually tell you a lot about you.
Right.
If you reflect on your own fear, say why do I fear it? Go back, maybe there's a position कहीं ना कहीं आपके लाइफ में आपका मॉम डैड से कुछ हो गया रहेगा, या आपका कुछ फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप या स्कूल में हुआ या कॉलेज में कुछ हुआ, कि you will then subconsciously your mind is relating everything to that experience.
Right.
So try, if you have a fear, my thing is always try and reflect on where that fear comes from.
Okay.
Go into that place and tell that fear that I don't fear you anymore.
Right.
You know, you are actually there to push me into faith. You know, push me into the boundary that I never thought I'd be able to cross.
Wow, that's nice.
And that'll make you a good actor, that'll make you a good photographer.
Point noted. जेसन के हिडन टैलेंट जो लोगों को नहीं पता.
I can make a really good breakfast.
हाँ.
I don't know if that's a talent.
जाना पड़ेगा भाई.
Your
बॉम्बे
wife
का-
is behind the camera. She's laughing right now. She's like, no chance.
She's like,
I can
"बेटा,
make
नहीं,
a better
नहीं, नहीं."
breakfast.
She's like, बेटा तू बाद में मिल मेरे को. तू what do you do man? You do nothing.
I think just being a friend is a talent. You know, listening is a talent. I think a lot of us don't listen enough. We're listening to the person, but we've already got our own agenda.
Right.
You know, I think listen to what the person is saying. Simple things become talents.
Right.
You know, you can be very useful and very helpful, and it doesn't have to be this drastic thing. You know, sometimes your boss has been telling you, but I'm just telling you to do this.
Right.
You know, you're trying to do all of this, but मैं कब से यही बता रहा हूँ आपको कि if you just do this, that's where you're gonna make the difference.
Right.
So I think that's a good thing. I don't want to, मैं खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर सकते कि मैं इतना talented हूँ, but I love doing all kinds of things. I love to ride horses. I think that's a talent, to be
Yeah,
able to
yeah.
bond with a horse.
Right.
That's a fear.
Right.
And I don't know why, but in
मुझे
India,
बहुत डर लगता है, मैं नहीं कर सकता.
अरे भाई मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. फिल्मों में, टीवी में हमेशा वो घोड़ा जो सबसे पागल घोड़ा होगा
वही मिलता है?
मुझे दे देता है
कभी
और
लात पड़ी है?
हाँ
लात पड़ी जो मूवीज में दिखाते हैं?
नहीं
नहीं।
thankfully no, but I have almost the horse has actually almost taken me into a tree in Jhansi Ki Rani.
Whoa.
And I was literally standing in the stirrups, leaning back, pulling, and he didn't want to stop. So it was only God's grace that he did stop.
तो जैसे अब what next? I mean, you happy the way things are here in India, या अब मन करता है कि यार मैं बाहर जाके भी explore करूं?
I love India. I've always enjoyed my time here. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. But yeah, I'm looking to explore anything, you know. I think there's so many different cinemas. There's German cinema is really cool. French, obviously, so many remakes come from French cinema. Hollywood has always been a dream because I've been watching Hollywood since I was a kid.
Right.
So, and people like Brad Pitt and Leonardo, I mean, to work with someone like a Scorsese or a Nolan, you know, obviously it would be, or Matthew McConaughey, it's one of my dreams to do something with him. So there's a few things I think in the works. So I'm just waiting, seeing what, you know, eventually God puts in my life, and I'll take it from there.
Be I'm sure you would agree to this कि हीरा मंडी के बाद जेसन इज लाइक एवरीवेयर, है ना? बट बहुत सालों की स्ट्रगल हो गई है. ऐसा नहीं कि रातों रात जो लोगों को लगता है अरे नाउ ही इज पॉपुलर ये, बट लोगों को नहीं पता कि कितना कुछ यू बीन छोटे छोटे रोल में भी यू डन योर थिंग. आई वाज सरप्राइज एंड सॉरी आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी वो, बट मुझे पता चला कि पार्टनर में यू वर देयर. एंड मुझे वो अब जाके पता चला. मतलब वो लोगों को लगता है कि आज ही क्या है, बट वो पूरा पिछला मेहनत नहीं दिखता है.
The funny thing, back then there was a lot less film, so people were noticed a lot more. I'm not joking, I've signed an autograph doing that movie with Salman, and it was crazy because I was in Dubai and the whole team of guys in this one restaurant got together and they were like, sir, you were with Salman in Partner. And I was like, for a second, like, how would you? So I think, you know, back then there was so much hype around it that from then it was like that, you know, that thing of, you know, oh wow. But there's always going to be that wow because this is that kind of industry. It's entertainment.
Right. And जो लोगों को लगता है रातों रात हो जाएगा, वो नहीं होता.
नहीं, and I think we've seen it. I mean, I think this girl Das or something at 32, she just committed suicide. I think there's so much suicide going on right now. It's especially in the industry. I mean, there's been so much in the last 3 years. And it's sad. It really is sad because I know that there are struggles. You know, it's like what we were talking about earlier, that don't let that criticism get to you. I mean, if you really have that dream and you believe it, go for it, you know, and maybe take time out to renew yourself. I think a lot of people along this journey lose the things that keep them the core of themselves, they distance themselves from family because family are against, you know, doing something, so that puts a person very alone. They're not used to, you know, having no covering or no shield for the world. I think having the right friends is extremely necessary. Not the friend telling you, "Arey,
you don't want yes man, na?
दारू पिएंगे आज, छोड़ना यार दिमाग की माँ बहन वो मत कर." But have a friend that comes and says, "हम दारू पीने से पहले बताओ मुझे क्या हो रहा है."
बात करते हैं.
बात
वो मुझे लगता है, do you agree कि सोशल मीडिया की वजह से भी वो बहुत कट ऑफ हो गया. वो पर्सनल, बहुत वो पर्सनल टच. खाने पे लोग 4-5 लोग बैठे हैं और आज के ज़माने में यही है. एंड मैं बोल रहा कि हम आया क्यों. सो एक्चुअली विथ अस एज अ फैमिली, it's like an unsaid rule, but we've spoken about it. And we just had a dinner last week with me and my younger brother, my younger sister. She's also. So घर पे you like 4 of you?
Yeah. So you know, girlfriends and such, and we all went out and no one was on. Yes, a few photos here and there, the food, I understand all of that kind of stuff. You like to post and share, fine, but don't be posting at the table. Do the posting later. Have the meal, talk,
be in the moment. ना लोग आज का वो भूल गए. To be in the moment वाली बात जो है,
And I think you said it right. It's social media.
Yeah.
It's taken, because if even for me, I actually unfollowed everybody on Instagram. Now I've started to follow a few.
Yeah.
Because people think I'm rude, and honestly it's nothing to do with that. I just thought that, and I definitely have understood so much from that time. I was getting unhealthy thoughts, and everything starts from a thought.
Yeah.
I met an actor who said, no, I think very negative, but I'm a very positive person. And he was not a positive person at all. I don't know what he thinks of himself, but I won't say his name.
बता दो, काट देंगे.
No. It all starts with a thought. A war was started with a thought. Peace starts with a thought. I think someone like this Dhruv in India,
Yeah.
I think his thoughts have created other people to actually think,
Yeah.
like, you know
He's
what
amazing.
I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So I think social media can become so much that it becomes unhealthy, and it leads you into spaces that is just not good for us. As human beings, I don't think human beings were meant to take in so much news and from all different directions, like news about India, and then I want to know who's the president in America, and then, you know, there's a Spanish league, and then there's cricket going on, and then, you know, there's something happening with Virat's personal life, and, you know, somebody's taking a video of his private room.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
I
that
don't
went viral,
think your mind was meant to play ping pong like this all day.
Right.
Like, because inside of my mind, I'm like, at that point where I unfollowed everyone, I literally, I'm not joking, I was inside of the van and I was doing a shoot, and I felt like God was like, unfollow everyone. I couldn't do it. For 45 minutes, I was sitting there saying, how can I do this? These guys are going to get upset at me. I'm going to get abused by half of the industry. And I did. I
Right.
know so many people, how rude you are for unfollowing me. I'm going to unfollow you. I said, please unfollow me. I never told you to follow me in the first place.
Right.
You're following me because you want to.
Yeah.
And I think people then, and then it becomes like that. Like, I'm not going to follow you. And I'm like, who made all these rules? You know, this is just your life,
media,
social media, you know,
Right.
it's your choice.
But
And
important भी हो गया ना.
yes.
Now,
But I'll tell you, when I came out of that vanity van, I felt like, after I unfollowed everyone, I felt like a weight from my heart had dropped. And I was feeling so light, and I felt like it was almost like some kind of unknown form of responsibility had dropped.
Right.
And yes, you're right, we need it.
Right.
Especially for us, you know, in our industry, we definitely need it. I think that it's for someone like Dhruv, it's something that it's a platform that people actually have now the advantage to watch a Dhruv Rathi and see things from a different perspective.
तो social media you think actors के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
I mean, I think, you know, even Leonardo didn't have social media for a long time. I know now he's a little bit active. I would say, you know, especially for me, I'm like, yes, now obviously there's a lot of things to it.
Right.
You can grow. I think it's a great way to meet people.
Right.
New opportunities, 110%. I don't think ज़रूरी है. I think.
But वो delete करने के बाद सबको फिर वापस डाल दिया, add कर दिया.
नहीं, सब लोग नहीं, धीरे धीरे. अभी तो 25 लोग के पास ही आ रहा है. And I think एक चीज़ है कि yes, use it, don't let it use you.
Right, absolutely.
You know, I think the problem is that once we start using something, we don't realize it starts using us.
Right.
And we get tired. It takes a
But
lot
you
of
stalk?
our energy.
मतलब बीच-बीच में कभी किसी को चोरी छुपे?
I'll honestly say right now I'm doing a lot of stalking.
हाँ.
Yeah.
किसको देख रहे हो ज़्यादा?
I stalked you.
हाँ.
And I guess, you know, that's what it comes to. It's like now if I'm looking for a designer or, you know, I'm looking for a label that I think is cool that I can work with. You know, somebody says, hey, I want to work with you. I quickly stalk their page just to see if their output is what they're saying it is.
Right.
So I think that's very helpful as well with social media. I think it gives you a background. It gives you a little bit of a story. But yeah, again, don't stay on it too long.
Right. But कोई actress को stalk नहीं कर रहा? मतलब चोरी छुपे जिसको you follow, you're like यार इसके साथ काम करना है. Any role in your mind कि यार ये role मुझे अब करना है. एक कोई mind में ऐसा कोई role है?
Russian mafia.
हाँ. Gangster. अच्छा हम लोग जब से shoot पे बात कर रहे हैं ना, action killing, gangster. I think that's your genre.
And I mean, maybe, who knows?
Yeah,
Who
है ना?
knows, yeah.
So any last words for the aspiring talent, जितने models, actors आपको देख के maybe अपनी journey आगे start करना चाहते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए क्या? Because I've been working very closely with models and actors, and कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि कुछ है, depression है, demotivation है, तो what would you like to say? Like क्या करना चाहिए इन लोगों को?
I say it a lot, like Jesus is everything for me, and I believe that from that light I burn, and because I'm burning, you will have to go into dark places. This is the world that you live in. Everybody isn't nice. Everybody isn't going to treat you right. But when you have the light, you don't let the darkness overwhelm you. And I think that's always, something to look forward to. Always keep God in the center. I think, at least for me, it's helped me. It's helped me overcome addiction. I think you want to break addiction. This is something that I haven't spoken on. If you want to break addiction, fast. Learn how to fast. I think a lot of people in India fast.
Right.
But treat the addiction like you're fasting on the addiction. Okay. And it's insane. I've broken so many things, obviously with God's grace, but it's been so amazing. I just won't let things break me because I know that I have the light in me. And even if somebody treats me in some way, it's probably because they've been hurt before. Right. They're treating you from a place that they have not completely treated themselves yet. They need to go and get treatment for that place in their life.
Absolutely.
And I think when we understand human beings in that way, I think we are able to project ourselves in a better form rather than वो गुस्सा आया तो मैंने भी गुस्सा चढ़ा. I think that it's sad. I get angry sometimes. That's why I'm trying not to drive these days.
कभी सेट पे वैसे कुछ हाथ वाथ हुआ है कि हाथापाई you got angry?
In Hiramandi, I blew up actually. I absolutely exploded. It was a hard day of work. We were going, so it was actually my dying scene. I'm sorry I've let this go. I mean, I think you've had enough time to watch Hiramandi, but I die in it. So on that particular day that I'm getting shot, I was coming out changing a lot. Normal actor, I don't think would have done the kind of speed work that I was doing for the production house, and I keep that in mind.
बहुत changes थे.
They must have done the same shot about 15 times. So I'm getting shot, things are exploding, blood is coming, and I'm fine. I'm completely fine with that. I'm coming outside, guys are rubbing me on this side, guys are rubbing, 4 people are changing me completely. Again, ready, go back inside. Any other actor in today's industry, they would have gone all the way back to their vanity van, which would have taken probably, I would say, a good 25 minutes to half an hour for them to come back. I was changing within 7 minutes, 10 minutes. And, and they didn't have time. They needed the shot. We finished, and then a guy came up to me and he said, and from production, he said, Jason, we need, there's a shot left from yesterday. But we need that shot, and this is going to take complete cleanup. So then I said, well, that's going to take a little bit of time क्योंकि ये जल्दी वाला change नहीं है, मेरे को पूरा change करना ही है. And I went back to my vanity. Again, I had 4 people. It's not like मैं मस्ती नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Obviously, मैं हमेशा मजाक मस्ती में ही है. So I have my hands like this stretched. There's 2 guys here, 2 guys here. 1 guy's on my head. I'm sitting in my underwear. One of the ADs came from outside and she said, Jason, how much time will it take for Jason to get ready? And of course the makeup artists who are in charge, they're under extreme pressure, these makeup artists that work in this industry. I feel terribly sorry for most of them because they're expected to give you so much but given so little time to work in sometimes. And he said 15 minutes. Now obviously she's like, but we don't have 15 minutes. But it's going to take that. So he's actually telling you the truth. Go and give that. No. Every 25 seconds, this girl is opening up the door. Is he ready? Is he ready? Is he ready? Is he ready? And it was the end of a long day.
Right.
She slammed the door so many times. And again, had this been any of the other actors, especially the Bollywood crew, I don't think this would have been done. I don't think that level of disrespect would have been shown. because I doubt anybody has the gall to open up Sonakshi Sinha's door like that 25 times within 10 minutes, asking, is Sonakshi ready? And with that kind of a, you know, attitude as well. So I had let it all go. I was still like, Jason, maintain your peace. I came out, and from the vanity all the way to the shot, it's a good walk. It's a good, I would say 30 meters or so. Walking, and one of these assistant directors was yapping in my ear, "Tum itna time waste karte ho, ye wo." You should never do that as an AD to an actor. Never. I don't think, had it not been me, I don't think she would have done it to anybody. And she yapped and she yapped and she yapped. By the time I got inside of the studio, it's just like you've had enough.
Pura bubble ban gaya tha basically.
Oh, it was like there was air in my chest. और इतना गुस्सा में कि मैं control नहीं कर पाया. And I just went bang. I didn't burst over at her. I managed to control myself, but I walked out of I just opened up the door and I just walked out. And if anybody at that point had any sense, they would have let me be alone for just a few minutes and would have said, let Cartwright cool down. You know, Cartwright has finally burst the bubble. And they didn't. I felt a hand tap me on the back within 30 seconds. And I turned around and I laced this guy, as in I said.
सब लोग थे वहाँ पे.
Everybody was watching from the other, and it's quite a big place. You know, the studio that he shoots in. It's huge, so I was quite a bit away. But I exploded and I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. And I was just like, why, when I'm giving my 170% probably, no one else is going to do this kind of work for you. There'd probably be 100 tantrums. Oh, you guys are gussing my skin. Mera ye ho gaya, mera wo ho gaya. All the kinds of tantrums would have come out. And for a person to be, you know, pushing you, and it should never happen to an actor. It should never happen. An actor should be given a space. And she had so much that even the director on the set at that time was telling her, be quiet, hold it in and shut up and sit down. Why are you angrying him so much? You know, for what reason? And I remember I finished the shouting bit to the line producer, poor chap, and God bless him, he was like, don't worry, you're going to go and kill it. So I walked back in. I just looked at the guy and I said, take the shot. You know? And that DOP was like, yeah, Jason, we're ready. Let's go. Shot. I was like, wow, it should have been like this every day. You know? But there are those instances. And I'll tell you what I did, because I didn't want the day to end like that. So I knew it was going to be pack up because it was the last shot. As soon as the shot ended, I went and I held the door. So it was like Cartwright was holding the door for the entire team. And I said, I want to tell you guys that I'm really sorry. Not only to the person that, you know, I got upset at, but also to all of you, because I never want to behave like that in public. It was just so overwhelming inside of me. I couldn't control it. And I think the atmosphere as well in that place added to that. But I did a lot of reflecting. I came back to the set 2 days later. I gave her a card with roses and everything. And I was like, please forgive me.
Propose to nahi kar diya.
Because obviously I never want to behave like that, especially out in the open. And it takes a lot to hold yourself, you know. And I think no matter how strong we think we are, because there's always some level of you know, ego or pride that no, main acha hu, main bahut acha karta hai, I'm a good person. I think God was showing me that you still need to improve. There's even higher levels of places that you're going to go that you still need even bigger levels of self-control. So yeah, it was good. There's always a good ending.
Awesome. So मतलब मन तो कर नहीं रहा कि रुका जाए, but I think मजा आ गया आज.
फ्लाइट पकड़ना,
पता चला फ्लाइट छूट गई, हम बैठे हुए मजे कर रहे हैं, but बहुत मजा आया. Jason, thank you so much, man. And I think इतनी चीजें सीखने को मुझे भी मिली आज, and I think I'm gonna you know, take it in my personal thing. मजा आ गया. Thank you so much, and had a lovely shoot. And thank you guys so much for watching.